Have you ever wanted to take a simple thread and turn it into, I don't know, a functional work of art? Well, today, we're diving into a course that shows you exactly how to do that. How to create your very own unique bags using the beautiful, ancient craft of macrame.
So, let me just ask you this. Have you ever seen one of those really intricate, handcrafted bags and just thought, wow, I wish I could make that? You know the feeling, right? Well, this course is basically designed to turn that exact wish into a reality. It guides you through the whole amazing process of making something super stylish completely by yourself. Now here's what's so cool about this. Just how easy it is to get started. On one side, you've got what you need. Some cotton thread, scissors, a tape measure, and yeah, a bit of curiosity. But then look at the other side, what you don't need. And this is the big one. Any previous macrame experience? Nope, none. It's built for total beginners, right from square one. Yep, that's because the whole thing is rated at a beginner level. That means literally anyone can jump right in. The whole idea is to get rid of that intimidation factor and get you right to the fun part, the actual creating.
So who's going to be guiding us on this creative journey? Well, let's meet the instructor behind it all. Your guide is Mapi Casafranca, and she's the founder of a sustainable artisan brand called AMARENA. And her background is just fascinating. Get this. She's a business manager by profession, but a textile artist by vocation, by passion. It's that combo of a structured, organized mind and a purely creative soul that makes her such a great teacher. And this quote, this really gets to the heart of what she's all about. For Mapi, this isn't just about tying some knots together. It's about keeping this incredible tradition of ancestral weaving alive and giving it a fresh, modern twist. It means every single bag you make actually carries a little piece of that history with it. And the philosophy behind her brand just adds so much meaning to the whole thing. She was inspired by watching her own mother and grandmother weave. She's all about using natural materials, fair trade, and sustainable methods. So you're not just learning a craft, you know? You're plugging into this really conscious, meaningful way of creating things. All right, so you've got your guide, you're feeling inspired. But where do you even start? Well, the course kicks off with the super important planning phase, showing you how to take that little spark of an idea and turn it into a solid blueprint. And here's how it's structured. You'll start off by gathering inspiration, making a mood board to get your ideas flowing. Then, you'll nail down your vision, choosing materials, figuring out the size. From there, you sketch it out, and finally, create a real technical sheet. It's basically how the pros do it, and it ensures that the amazing bag in your head is the one you actually end up with. Okay, once your plan is locked in, it is time for the magic to happen. This next part is all about getting your hands on the materials and actually bringing your bag to life one knot at a time. And the making process itself is broken down into these 4 really clear steps. You start by weaving the main body of the bag. Then you focus on perfecting all those little details, the patterns, the edges. After that, you'll attach the handles, and finally, add those all-important finishing touches that take it from looking homemade to, wow, where did you buy that? I absolutely love this description. The course presents this as more than just a mechanical skill. It says that with each knot, you learn to communicate with the fibers. You're developing this real hands-on connection to your materials and the beautiful thing you're creating. So after all that patient, creative work, what's the end result? Let's talk about the final masterpiece and all the value you're getting from the learning platform itself. And here is the ultimate reward. The whole point of the course is to help you create a bag that has a truly polished, high-quality finish, something you can be genuinely proud to wear and show off as a reflection of your own style and your new skill. So what do you actually get inside the course? Well, it's broken down into 8 main video lessons, and you get 7 downloadable resources to help you along the way. And it all leads up to that one final project, your beautiful, finished bag. And the learning experience itself is built to be super flexible. You can learn completely at your own pace, which is huge. You get unlimited access forever, so there's no rush. You can watch on the app, and you get to connect with this global community of other creative people. It's really the whole shebang. So really, the big takeaway here is that this is about so much more than just making a single bag. It's about opening a door to a brand new creative skill. It's about starting your own personal journey with textile art. And I think this final quote just sums it all up perfectly. The finished bag isn't just an accessory, it's a testament to your patience and dedication. What you're really left with
is that powerful, amazing feeling of accomplishment that comes from making something beautiful with your own two hands.
Which, of course, leaves us with one last question. This isn't just about weaving threads. It's about weaving your own story into a real, tangible object that you can carry with you. So, are you ready to weave yours? If you want to explore this course in a little more detail, the link is waiting for you right down in the description below. Thanks for hanging out with me.